Hey, what's up guys? 65 Looks here, back with another video. I got a couple of packages today in the mail. One of them by Jimmy Flintstone Studios, a couple resin bodies I had ordered from his website recently, and also another package I ordered from Wes Salazar. He had some auto kits that he was selling on Instagram, so I went ahead and hit him up and reached out to him that I was interested in one of the model kits. Finally, they came in today, both on Monday, so let's go ahead and open these up and see what we have inside. All right guys, as you can see, I have a couple resin bodies here from Jimmy Flintstone and also a 1951 Chevy Fleetline here. This kit, Wes hooked it up, another body. He said on the post 2 bodies in this kit. I know they don't come like that when you buy these, but I'm not sure of the situation, but I know that he included an extra kit. The hood is in there as well, so that's cool, man. Thank you for that. You know, having an extra kit opens up more possibilities of experimenting with some chopping. I don't know, we'll see what I come up with this. Pretty excited, happy that I have 2 bodies there. Going back to the resin bodies, as you can see here, here we have a custom Ford. This one here, it's like a 49/50 Ford. It's already been sectioned and chopped. This is one of the Jimmy Flintstone resin casts that he sells on his website. This one, they call it Golden Shower. He also hooked it up with a few resin pieces here, some freebies, pretty rad stuff here. I don't know, I'm gonna have to start looking into these on his website, and also a little Hot Wheels logo thing there. So I'm gonna go ahead and later, you know, get these cleaned up, start messing around with them, get them all painted up. It also comes with one of his business cards there and some instructions when working with the resin, when cleaning these, because you definitely need to clean these bodies, because if you just start you know, scuffing them up, shooting some paint on it, it can get a little greasy and stuff can fall off. So follow the instructions. Little by little, as I start messing with resins, I'm starting to get more and more into them here. So this other one, which I'm kind of not like included in this, but it's a wagon, Merc 49, and it's already chopped as well. As you can see, it does have the wood panelings there on the side and in the back. My plans for this is pretty much to get all this filled in. I'm not really too big of a fan of the woody look. So I'm gonna fill this in, get it nice and smooth, most likely get rid of that trim line there as well, so this way it's just gonna look really sleek, and I really love this chopped look there. So get this all cleaned up, and we'll see once I have some primer on this and then some paint. We'll see where we go from there. So pretty much, obviously, the windows, those need to be cleaned out. Every time I get one of these kits, I'm always like curious, you know, like, oh, check it out, see some fingerprints there, and right away I'm always like, you know, just poking this stuff away. But yeah, as you can see here, it's already coming off. There you go. But you know, you go in there, clean it all up. So but yeah, I'm really happy with what I got here. You can see the front view right there. Pretty funny. It looks like a fish in the back right there. Look at that thing. Nice and slammed, man. So many possibilities right here. So as soon as you see these, your imagination just runs wild. Let's check out the little fleet right here. Let's do a little lineup. Bam! Look at that. Look how low that one is. How that one sits compared to this one here. I could see this one being chopped up. I really like this. How this just goes down that. Look at that. No bump. Fastback look, so dope. All right, guys. 65 Looks, check it out. Peace.